Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a special edition 2013 Honda CBR 600RR Repsol edition. This bike has just a little over 7,600 miles on it and is in mint condition with one little imperfection on it. So let's walk around it. I'll show you the couple of highlights on this mostly stock bike and that one little imperfection. And then we'll fire it up. This factory racing schemed motorcycle, like I said, is extremely clean. Front tires in great shape, got plenty of miles left on that. So one of the aftermarket accessories it has on it is a tank pad. They've also got a matching gas cap cover. Excuse me. And the one thing they've done is modified, it's not really a fender eliminator, but they've modified the rear fender, so kind of took care of that hanging down tail. Our service department has put a new rear tire on this bike already. Noticed one little scuff here. Oh, just dirt. So it does have a battery tender lead on it too. Okay, so on the one imperfection we found in the bar end here, missing just a little bit of paint, like it was rubbed off. I don't know, the way the rider had their hand on the throttle, hard to say, that's all I can imagine. So some sort of rubbing there caused the paint to come off, but I mean, hardly noticeable anyway. 7638 is what's on it. This CBR 600RR Repsol edition has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.